Yo guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fred from Arlington, Texas. Today we are here in a place called Grand Canyon. For those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe before you watch my video, and that's my humble request. Those who have already subscribed, watch, and also remember to come back to watch my videos. So we're going around here in Grand Canyon Park and see what we have here. Yeah, I'm using my phone since my GoPro is not working well today. I don't know because the environment's too hot. So when I capture like 10-30 minutes, it starts to overheat, of which couldn't allow me to use it. So I have to use the other option, which is the phone. The phone is better than my GoPro now. So my phone is giving me a good service, and now I see it's working well, better than GoPro. So let's walk together and see what is inside here. This is how this environment looks like. This is how it looks like. We can see the whole region. Yeah, the weather is changing. Yeah, the leaves are started to drop from the trees. Yeah, the season we call autumn. It's autumn or the fall season. It's now at hand. It's starting. So what we call summer is turning down, and we're going to have fall season, and then after fall we'll have winter. So guys, this is how it is. You see the trees are fading. The green color is fading down. It's getting yellowish, meaning everything's changing. Yeah, let's walk together and see what is inside here, guys. Let's go together. I don't know if it will allow me to walk. I'll try to walk too fast a little bit so that I can capture what I want to capture today.
It's not a sewer, it's a culvert.
You can see that it looks very clear. A very nice place to walk around, to do an exercise. If you live around, you can come and watch, or you can come and walk around. It's a very nice place. Here you see we are passing through the shade. The shade is everywhere, so you can feel the sunshine. So that's a very nice area. You can experience walking around. In front of me, there's a stream of water here. It's still wet since it's a rain season. They say these streams are seasonal because it doesn't contain water. They are not permanent. It just appear during the rain season, and after the rain season it will dry off, as you can see over here. Yeah, it will dry off. I'm going to go through the valley and I'll climb the mountain. Oh, I'm climbing here again. Telling you guys, a very nice place to come and chill. Oh man, it's been a while since I climbed the mountain. See, I'm just following the way people walks. Some close walks around here. My camera is not capturing well because it's a phone camera, so it's not capturing well. If it was GoPro, GoPro it covers big place. Now this one it doesn't cover. I have to stretch my hand. Yeah. Man, you see, there's a dry spring over here. It's a dry spring. I want to go back to the crosswalk. Wow, look. Do you see the way, guys, this place looks? It's a very beautiful place. The place I'm standing now, it's higher, and you can see down the valley, the stream of water over there. It's been a while since I walked around, guys, so that's why I'm breathing deeper. See the way this place looks cute, very beautiful. There's a stream of water over there, and another one is over here. It's not yet dry because it just rained recently. Whew. Wow, very nice water. It's clear and it looks clean. You can see over there. A very calm place, very nice place to be. You need to be here. Yes, you need to be here and enjoy the natural beauty. This is a natural beauty, as you can see here. Wow. Hey. Look over there. Very clean water here. Yeah, I want to climb all the way up to the mountain, see what is it. I want to show you everywhere, guys. I'm trying to see whether I can get the crosswalk, the real one. Wow. You can see my background. That's where I've been passing. And now I want to go to a different place. I don't want to get lost inside here. It's a big place. It's a very nice place for adventure, guys, you see. It's very quiet, nobody's inside here. This one is reminding me when I was growing up. We used to have forest back at home, and we used to pass through the forest. We used to have crosswalks or crossroads through the forest. When you pass at night, you feel like, oh my God, something will come and grab me. Yeah, but nowadays it's not. But nowadays there's no trees, there's no forest everywhere. The place is clear, it's clean. You can't get anything around. Oh man, guys, I'm breathing too much. Sorry for that. It's been a while since I took a walk. So when I walk a little bit, I feel like to breathe deeper. Man, I can't get a close walk. I want to go back. I'm totally lost. I don't know where to go to. Hey, I don't know where I'm going to. Man. Whoa. I can't get a close walk, man. Where am I going to? I can't get a close walk here. Man. I'll go back. Alright, let me go back and wait. I don't see a close walk around here. I'm just passing. Randomly. Guys, do you see over here? The trees, the old trees are down and it's rotten already. This how they are conserving the forest, not like the way back at home they want to do. That one, it will cause soil erosion. It will cause soil erosion, or soil will be carried to the river, because people will be cultivating in the forest and planting trees using the old trees. When the old trees fall down and get decomposed, it helps a lot the forest to grow. You'll find a lot of microorganisms in the forest. You know, there's some plants which depends on microorganisms. That's what we call natural forest. But if we say we are going to cultivate in the forest, we can't maintain. Actually, we can't maintain our nature. We can't maintain our natural forest. Instead, it will be man-made forest, of which will contain a lot of things, like the trees are being sprayed with pesticide, which will be carried to the river and cause the death of fish in the river. So it's better they leave it, because this microorganism, it helps a lot the fish in the lake or in the river. You know, if they leave the old trees to decompose in the forest, those microorganisms which are swept back to the river, it helps a lot. It helps a lot those things which are in the river. So right now, I don't know why our leaders are encouraging people to go to cultivate in the forest, planting trees and also planting vegetables in the forest. You know, when you do that, you're just destroying the nature. Yeah, that one's no good. Anyway, it's okay. For those one who see that, you know, sometimes our leaders may lead us to wrong direction when they don't think very well. Yeah. Wow, you see, it's a river over here. I feel like to take all my clothes and start to take shower like back at home. You know, back at home we used to stand on the stone like this, and you take off the clothes, you take shower naturally, and then you went back home. We never used to take shower at home. Yo guys, I'm going to go back. I'm going back. Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Right there.
I think we're gonna be lost. No, we're not lost.
Now I'm going back, guys, since it's too much. Guys, if you like my video, just like on the comment section, just talk about it, say something about it, guys. Yeah, this Grand Canyon, and we are getting to the end of the video, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching the nature of this park. Yes, this is a natural forest over here. I hope you enjoy a lot, guys. Now I'm getting to the end of my video for today, so guys, subscribe, like, and also come back to watch my video. So we're getting to the end. I'm going back. We're done with this for today, and now what I would like you to do, when you get time, just comment on the video. If you have any question, just ask. I'm here and I can be able to answer you if you need to know more about Crystal Canyon Nature Forest here in North Arlington, Texas. So guys, welcome for the next video, which is coming which is going to come very soon. So bye, and see you next time, guys. See you next time. Bye. That's the end of my video. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'm getting to the end of this for today. Yeah, I'm going back, and see you for the next video, guys. Enjoy. Like, if you have a question, ask on the comment section down there. And also, if you want to know more about Crystal Canyon Nature Park, let me know in the comment section. I will be able to answer you guys. This is North Arlington, Texas Crystal Canyon Nature Forest or Park here in North Arlington, Texas. So guys, for those one who lives around, you can come and walk around, see what is it inside here. So remember to come back and watch my video and subscribe. Check the bell like button. Wherever I upload the new video, you'll be able to see it. And that's my humble request, guys. Bye. See you next time. Bye.